Well, hello everyone. I want to welcome you to the channel today, and what we're working on is just kind of working around the sawmill today and getting some things done. I mentioned to you in one of the previous videos that these logs that I bought back a couple of months ago, they're already getting some weevils and worms boring in them, so I'm going to change the blade out on the mill and go ahead and mill I don't know how many of them. I may just do one. I may do more than one, but mill some of these logs up and get them into some usable lumber, let them start seasoning and drying out. And so that's what we're working on today. I want to thank you for joining us on the channel, St. Nick's Farms, and if you will, please be sure to give us a thumbs up if you like the video. And as always, and I always say that, and as always, but if you will, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. But again, thank you for joining us. Let's get started on working around the sawmill today. I am going ahead and putting a new blade on the mill, a brand new blade. I've got some blades that I've sharpened, but I've decided I'm going to go ahead and put a new blade on to start milling this these pine logs. Go ahead and put tension on the blade and see if it's tracking okay. Okay, I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then this top one here has some live edge on it, but I'll still be able to use it. And these are 9-inch boards, so basically 9-inch boards out of that log. So that'll make some pretty good board and batten siding when I get ready to start my building, and I'm pleased with the way this turned out. Okay, well there you have it, folks. Sawed up that first log, and going to take a little bit of a break. It's in the high 90s here in northwest Alabama today, so even under the sawmill shed it's still a little bit warm, so I'm going to take a break, go get some Gatorade and hydrate a little bit. But I want to thank you for joining us here on the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me just say this, if my voice sounds a little bit raspy, I have had laryngitis this past week, and I'm just now beginning to get my voice back. And the kind of work that I do professionally, it's really difficult to not be able to talk. So I'm just glad to be able to be on the mends as far as my voice is concerned, be able to talk to you today. I didn't talk much on the video. I don't want to strain my voice that much today since I am recuperating, gaining strength back in my voice. So again, thank you so much for joining us on the video today. I do hope that you enjoyed it, and look forward to seeing you the next time here on St. Nick's Farms. Till then, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one. No telling what we'll be doing, so come on and join us when you see the next. Ring the little bell and you'll get a notification of when St. Nick's Farms is on again. So thank you again. Have a great day, everybody. See you next time. This is Larry. Bye-bye.